Freelance writing is a great career choice. It offers a unique blend of flexibility and creativity that many traditional jobs simply can't match. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, the opportunities are vast and varied. You can work from anywhere. Imagine writing your next article from a cozy cafe, a serene beach, or even from the comfort of your own home. The world is your office. You are your own boss. This means you have the freedom to set your own schedule, choose your clients, and decide on the type of work you want to do. You can choose projects you enjoy. Whether it's writing about technology, travel, health, or any other niche, you have the power to select projects that align with your interests and passions. Many people find freelance writing rewarding. The sense of accomplishment that comes from seeing your work published and appreciated by others is truly unmatched. As a freelance writer, you write for different clients. This diversity keeps the work interesting and allows you to build a broad portfolio. These clients need various writing tasks. From blog posts to technical manuals, the range of writing assignments is extensive. You could write blog posts, website content, or marketing materials. Each project offers a new challenge and a chance to hone your skills. You have the freedom to choose what you write. Freelance writing offers flexibility. You can plan your day around your most productive hours and personal commitments. You set your own hours and work when you want. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can tailor your work schedule to fit your lifestyle. You can balance work with other commitments. This makes freelance writing an ideal career for those who need to juggle multiple responsibilities. This makes it perfect for people seeking work-life balance. You can enjoy your personal time without compromising your professional goals. Many people are choosing freelance writing. The sense of community among freelance writers is strong, with numerous online forums and co-working spaces available. It's a growing field with lots of opportunity. The demand for quality content is ever increasing, providing a steady stream of work for skilled writers. More businesses need writers to create online content. From small startups to large corporations, the need for engaging and informative content is universal. This means more work is available for freelancers. With dedication and skill, you can build a successful and fulfilling career in freelance writing. Finding a niche is key to freelance writing success. It helps you stand out in a crowded market and attract clients who are looking for specific expertise. A niche is an area you specialize in. It's where your knowledge and passion intersect, allowing you to write with authority and confidence. It could be technology, travel, or finance. These are broad categories, but within them, you can find sub-niches that are even more specific. Focusing on a niche helps you become an expert. The more you write about a particular topic, the more knowledgeable you become. Think about your interests and skills. What subjects do you find yourself drawn to? What do you enjoy learning about? What topics do you enjoy writing about? Your enthusiasm for a subject will come through in your writing, making it more engaging for readers. What are you good at? Identifying your strengths can help you choose a niche where you can excel. Your niche should align with your passions and expertise. This alignment makes your work more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Once you have a niche, research it thoroughly. Dive deep into the subject to understand the latest trends and developments. Read industry publications and follow thought leaders. This keeps you informed and helps you produce relevant and timely content. This helps you stay updated and provide valuable content to clients. Being well-informed makes you a more attractive option for potential clients. Choosing a niche focuses your writing efforts. It allows you to build a portfolio that showcases your expertise in a specific area. It allows you to target specific clients and projects. This targeted approach can lead to more consistent and higher-paying work. This leads to more success in the long run. By becoming a go-to expert in your niche, you can build a thriving freelance writing career. A portfolio showcases your writing skills to potential clients. It acts as a visual resume, highlighting your expertise and versatility as a writer. It's like a resume for writers, but more dynamic and engaging. It should contain your best writing samples relevant to your niche. Choose pieces that reflect your strongest skills and unique voice. You can create a simple online portfolio using platforms like WordPress or Contently. These platforms are user-friendly and widely recognized. These platforms offer templates to showcase your work professionally. Customize them to reflect your personal brand. If you don't have paid writing samples, create some. Start by writing on topics you're passionate about. Write guest posts for blogs in your niche. This not only builds your portfolio but also expands your network. Offer to write for free for a friend's business. This can provide you with real-world experience and valuable samples. These samples demonstrate your abilities. They show potential clients what you can do. Your portfolio is a powerful tool for attracting clients. It speaks volumes about your professionalism and dedication. Keep it updated with your latest and best work. Regular updates show that you are active and continuously improving. It's an ongoing investment in your freelance writing career. A well-maintained portfolio can open doors to new opportunities and help you grow as a writer. Section 4. Find clients online. Finding clients is crucial for freelance writers. Online platforms provide a great starting point. Upwork and Fiverr are popular choices for beginners. These platforms connect freelancers with clients seeking writers. You can browse projects, submit proposals, and build your reputation. Create a strong profile on these platforms. Highlight your skills, experience, and niche. Bid on projects that align with your expertise and interests. While these platforms are helpful initially, explore other avenues. Network with other writers and businesses. Build relationships that can lead to referrals. Section 5. Grow your freelance business. Continuous learning is vital for freelance writers. Writing skills can always improve. Explore online courses, workshops, and books to enhance your craft. Networking is equally important. Connect with other writers online and offline. Share experiences, learn from each other, and support each other's growth. As you gain experience, refine your rates and services. Don't undervalue your work. Provide high-quality writing that meets your clients' needs. Freelance writing is a journey. It takes time, effort, and dedication. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your successes. You can build a successful career with persistence.